Good Friday afternoon, as our sales manager Tim Lewis always likes to say, low VA rates nation. So anyhow, as always, just a quick shout out to all of those serving, those deployed especially. We wear red on Friday here at Low VA Rates in, I guess, an outward expression, as I usually explain. This is an outward suggestion of an inward passion and love and support we have for veterans. Red, remember, everyone deployed. Please wear red on Friday wherever you are, whether you're vacationing. My kids know every single Friday I wake up, Dad puts on red. We live it here at Low VA Rates. We love it here at Low VA Rates. We appreciate the men and women of the armed forces. Please, if you're deployed, return safely. Be safe while you're there. Today our topic is the VA IRRRL checklist. Now, again, I always like to say I'm not talking about your Uncle Earl. We've all got an Uncle Earl out there. IRRRL stands for Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan. I'm going to do a little insert here, and we're going to put Streamline, because the industry normally refers to the IRRRL when speaking to a veteran or a consumer. Streamline. We use IRRRL when we're talking to other industry insiders, underwriters, processors, loan officers. So what I want to train everybody on today is, if you've been thinking about doing a Streamline refinance, we're going to go through a quick little checklist here of the things that you should start getting together, gathering up, and being prepared to send to Low VA Rates, because of course, if you're going to do an IRRRL or a Streamline, the best place to go is Low VA Rates. And as always, by way of reminder, you can apply online through any of the links on our webpage. I can assure you, if it's not there already, there will be an Apply Now link in the comment section of this YouTube and or Facebook video. And in addition to that, you can chat live or call the number that's on your screen. So why do you Streamline? Well, because interest rates are lower today than they were when you got your mortgage. If you don't believe me, please challenge us. Give us a call. Contact us, one of the ways that I just suggested, and find out for yourself the interest rates that we can get you here at Low VA Rates. If they're lower than where you are today, you are likely eligible for a Streamline. Here are the documents and other things that you need to start gathering if you're going to do a Streamline. Number one, most important, mortgage statement. Okay? We're going to need a copy of your mortgage statement. Now, some people say, well, what if we don't get a statement? I got auto pay online. Then log on to your mortgage company online. Let's say it's Wells Fargo. Go into your online account and print a PDF or take a picture of your most recent statement. You're going to need that. In addition to your most recent mortgage statement, you are going to need a copy of your note, okay? This is a mortgage note, and this is a document that you can almost always get by logging on to your online access, going to closing documents, and searching for a copy of your note. Now, if you don't have the ability to search online, most of you, when you did your last mortgage, would have gotten a binder or a folder from the title company, and in that binder or folder, sometimes it's even given to you on a little CD, or maybe you were given digital copies through a link like Dropbox or something. Go find your closing documents. It's a stack about this thick. In there, you're going to see a document that in big, bold, all capital letters at the top, it's going to say note or mortgage note. We need a copy of that note when you're going to start doing a Streamline refinance. Number three, we're going to need a copy of anyone that's on the loan, copy of your driver's license, and if your driver's license does not have your social security number listed, some states give you the option to list your social on your driver's license. If not, we're going to need social security cards for each person on the loan. This is part of the Patriot Act. Okay, we have to verify, because of the Patriot Act, your identity and make sure that you're able to get a loan. Okay, now, of course, you can send this to us through a secure file upload. If you're working with somebody else, make sure you're delivering this personal information securely. We take your security very seriously here at Low VA Rates. We have, secure upload links. You can also send them to encrypted fax machines. There are all sorts of ways that you can get them to us. Okay, number four, we're going to need evidence of your homeowners insurance. Okay, normally that is found on a declarations page. The declarations page is going to say USAA, State Farm. If you're a client of Low VA Rates Insurance Agency, our affiliate sister company, it might say Low VA Rates Insurance Company at the top, but we need a copy of your homeowner's insurance. This is where it says dwelling, and then it's got how much it would cost to rebuild your house and personal property and all of your different insurance coverages. We need a copy of that to make sure that you have sufficient insurance coverage. Okay, number 5 of things that you should be prepared to send in. Some states need a copy of a survey. Okay, survey, I'm going to put Texas, New Mexico, Ohio, Florida. These states, generally speaking, are going to need a copy of your current survey. Sometimes difficult to find, so if you can't find it, get with a loan expert here at Low VA Rates, and in many cases we can pull a copy for you or help you get around this requirement by issuing certain endorsements on your title. Now I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I'm missing. Here's the good news. It's a really short checklist. If you were purchasing a home, the checklist would have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a more detailed process. But as we have trained, where's my eraser? As we have trained here at Low VA Rates, the Streamline is quick and easy. It's a very efficient way to lower your interest rate. I'm going to wrap up here in just a second. It's been like weeks since I've had the general public asking me questions about the topic. And that either means, number 1, I'm boring you guys, and I sure hope I'm not. Number 2, I'm so extremely precise, thorough, and good at these presentations that I address all questions before they even arise. Hopefully that's the case. Or you just don't know how to ask questions. So if you have any questions about this topic, please ask them now if you're watching live. Do we have any questions out there?
Yeah, Kai Ma says, there are a lot of hiding free you have to pay for, but a lot of loan mortgage clients did not know.
Okay, so I'm not sure what that means, but okay, not sure what's being asked, but I'm going to go out on a limb here and try to translate. I think I heard something about lots of hidden fees that somebody might need to pay when they're doing a Streamline. Was it Kia, whoever?
Okay.
Maybe you do what my beautiful wife does, and that is you're using Siri or some sort of dictation into your phone, and the transcription of your question just got absolutely annihilated. But I've gotten very good at deciphering these sorts of code words that Siri and these dictation apps give me. So, hidden fees on a Streamline. First of all, Low VA Rates, no can do. There is no such thing as a hidden fee. All fees are disclosed. All fees are written out, very easy for you to understand, and there are fees. Kaya or Kia or whoever asked this question, I apologize if I'm saying your name incorrectly. There are fees on Streamlines. So make sure, and we have videos that you can go to on our YouTube station. Low VA Rates' YouTube station is found at youtube.com/Low VA Rates. We also have a link for you down in the body of this Facebook thingy. So there are fees. We have trained on that before. We can talk about it again in the future. And there are ways to do Streamlines with no fees, no cost, no fee Streamlines. There are ways to pay fees. We have lots of different videos on that. So, but we will not hide them, and please do not work with a company that attempts to hide or under-disclose, if you will, their fees. Any other questions in English or any other language today?
Brady Smoot wants to know how much you bench.
Brady Smoot, that's funny. Brady Smoot is a wonderful brother-in-law of mine, so I think he's having some fun today. And I'd say probably around 350 to 475 pounds. Just kidding. I have no clue how much I bench, but it's certainly not as much as Brady. Brady, appreciate the support. He's always listening and paying attention. We've actually done. Brady is a happy client. We helped him and his wonderful wife, Natalie, get into their new home about a year or so ago up in Logan. So thanks, Brady. Anything else? Well, here's the deal. We're going to come to you live on Tuesday, Halloween, with a bunch of fun costumes around the office. We'll do a quick little tour. Can't wait to show you guys what I'll be wearing on Tuesday. But happy Halloween for everyone out there in the Low VA Rates Nation. Please take advantage before the end of the year. One more shout out for the Streamline refinance. Hopefully I haven't lost everyone's attention yet. If you refinance now and close in November or December, I know Thanksgiving is not a cheap holiday for many families here in the United States, and Christmas, by all means, is the most expensive holiday. What an opportunity to refinance. Take advantage of low interest rates, pull some cash and pull some equity out of your home to pay off some of those high interest rate credit cards that we always run up around the holidays. And as always, when you do your refinance, one of the unintended consequences of a refinance is you will normally get to pause your mortgage payments. They don't just disappear and go away, but you'll get to pause your mortgage payments for a couple of months, which also adds to your ability to lessen the financial burden of the holidays. So, happy Halloween coming up. I hope that everyone has a safe weekend, and thanks for tuning in.